This is a door panel on one of our Explorers or the Ford Police Interceptor utilities, and you can see there's a problem where the vinyl covering with the foam backing starts delaminating from the door panel itself. So we're going to work on a repair. Okay, so what we have is the door panel upside down. Obviously we're looking at the back side, and you can see here this is the lip, and what we're going to do is wrap this around this area, and then we're going to use a staple gun to affix it. Okay, before we staple it, we're just going to put a little bit of Gorilla Glue down to help the adhesion, really securing those staples. While he's doing that, we were just doing this as a test, so instead of spending a lot of money, we literally just bought, you know, I think it was $32 from Harbor Freight. It's a little staple gun. I think it's 7/16 inch wide staples, and I believe they're 20 gauge. I'll pull them out here in just a minute. Okay, these are the staples here, and as you can see, you know, by my finger, don't make fun of my nails. These are only a 1/4 inch in length, and I'm trying to get close to where you can see. Let's see. No, it won't let me do it. Anyway, 20 gauge. It's a lot thicker than the common staple that is used like for paperwork, but it's really short, so it's only a 1/4 inch, and that seems to be good. When we did shoot it, it didn't go through the panel from the back side. You can't feel it. Okay, Chris has wrapped the cloth over.
Was it?
You know, I always see those guys on, you know, those car shows, bitchin' rides, and they do like 20 staples in a second, man. Yeah. That guy's a winner.
Better safe than sorry, right?
Yeah.
A couple more. For good luck.
I think you put one right here. Alright, let's take a quick look here. You can see, so he has a good number of staples in there. And let's flip this over and take a look. Okay. And oh, the lighting, we're a little too bright here. Turning around this way, so yeah, there you go. There we go. Sorry about that. Let me come over here. Okay, so now you can see it's not pulling up. There's no bubbles in this area here, and it looked like the stapling was a little uneven, the edge, but as you can see, the edge looks perfectly straight here. So it does a pretty good job.